Mr. General, thank you so much for your time. We were just in court where Judge Jane Ngoveni dismissed, she struck off the roll your case against the Polokwane Municipality. Just take us through your reaction as the Hawks in the province.
Thank you very much. I think we respect the judgment of the judge, but our legal services will definitely pursue the matter. As you have heard, the matter was struck off roll. A very good argument has been made by the State Council for the continuation of the urgent application, but the judge saw it fit, and let us respect and allow the law to take its process.
On Thursday last week, we saw the Hawks submitting intention to withdraw this urgent application. Take us through the reasoning around that and this turnaround that we woke up to this morning, that withdrawal is no longer proceeding. Was it were you politically motivated to continue with this case and no longer withdraw?
We would have heard inside court that our counsel have very clearly articulated the reason for the intended withdrawal and the reason for withdrawing that withdrawal. I think that is sufficient for the court decision which the judge has made. And further, to put it in perspective, there is no political interference or influence. The Hawks will not fear any favor, prejudice against any investigation that we are doing. We will surely comply to the rule of the law without fear, favor, or prejudice in investigating anyone in this country.
The failure of this application to continue, does it mean your investigation into corruption or any other irregularity within that Polokwane municipality is no longer ongoing?
Let me say, I'm sure legal services will address, but it's incorrect. There is no failure. I think the court's decision was based purely on the administrative process of the rules within the High Court Act, stating that certain rules which we will deal with. So there was no failure. It was more an administrative aspect on which she have ruled, because the discussion inside was based on the rules and nothing on the merits of the case or any influence or political interference at all.
Does this mean your investigations into that municipality, anyone linked to it, is ongoing?
Most certainly. This is not the end. The investigation continues, and I'm sure our legal services will definitely deal with the outcome of today, which we want to place on record. We respect the judgment, and it will be dealt with accordingly.
Are we likely to see another application brought in?
Allow us to engage, and it's only fair that we will definitely engage in the very, very near future.
Major General, Polokwane residents were alarmed during the course of last week when there were social media posts that alleged that there was a link between some contractors within that municipality and the executive mayor, as well as the municipal manager. But there were also allegations around kickbacks being paid to the Magorompe Foundation, which is owned by the executive mayor. Your investigations, aside these social media posts, were they linked to anything related to any of the things that we've seen on social media in the past few weeks?
I think it's safe to say the matter is sub judice, and what's on the social media, we have no control. So let social media remain in the social media space. We do not investigate in the social media, nor do we subscribe. So whatever is on the social media, yes, it was brought to our attention. We will base our evidence purely, our investigation purely on evidence, not on information or intelligence that is freelancing on the social media. What comes to court is evidence and not information or intelligence. So I think the importance of the social media is people are just being happy, whether it's for whatever reason. I don't think it's fair for me as the head of the Hawks to pronounce on that. But in terms of the investigation, yes, it will continue. We are ready, and unabated, the matter will be dealt with.